Hello and welcome. It's good to have you here again. I am Oluwakemi and this is question 7 of the WAEC 2017. And the question goes thus: given that A is equal to the logarithm 7 and B is equal to logarithm 2, express logarithm 35 in terms of A and B. This basically means that as we express logarithm 35, we have to consider these two given logarithm of A and B. Okay, so let us quickly simplify logarithm 35, and this brings us to the first law of logarithm, which states that logarithm A plus logarithm B is equal to the logarithm of the product of A and B. Okay, so by looking at logarithm 35, if we apply that law, it means that logarithm 35 has two factors, and we can identify that as 7 and 5. Okay, good. So let us rewrite this further on as to look at the law. So we have logarithm 7 plus logarithm 5. Okay, good. So we simplify further. Okay, so we have logarithm 7 plus logarithm 5. This logarithm 5, we will simplify this further in this sense, in the sense of trying to look for the terms that we are given, that we say we should focus on these two terms A and B, which is logarithm 7 and logarithm 2. Okay, good. So now we have to take a look at another logarithm law, which states that logarithm A minus logarithm B is equal to the logarithm of A divided by B. Okay, and this gives us an insight to what we can do to logarithm 5. Okay, so if we have logarithm 10 minus logarithm 2, this is just basically the application of this law, so which says logarithm 10 over 2. So if we divide this, we end up with 5. So you can see clearly how the second law of the logarithm applies here. Okay, good. So now we can just quickly change the term. So we'll change this term logarithm 7 to the term A, and now we have logarithm 10. It is understood that when the base of the logarithm is not given, it is implied that we are working with logarithm 10, and logarithm of a number to its base is equal to 1. So even if you have, let's say, logarithm 2 of base 2, you will have 1. That's what another law states. So we're going to have logarithm 10 as 1. Then we represent logarithm 2 in terms of B. Okay, so if we rearrange this, we will have A minus B plus 1. Okay, so which answer option? Option C is the right answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.